Welcome to Para4ce. This is the Para4ce Quad. So this is quite an expensive piece of kit, but it is absolutely outstanding. It's got 4 different independent sensors, so it picks up EMF. So the EMF lights are there. It picks up temperature changes, so it shows you the temperature in there. You've got one light for up, one light for down, temperature up, temperature down. It detects vibration, which is that there, and then these lights are for your static. It takes 4 AAA batteries. You have a reset button to reset it and recalibrate it. Also, each different sensor can be turned on and off independently. EMF, vibration, static, temperature, and the sensitivity of the whole thing can be turned up and down. So this is an amazing piece of kit. It's 4 devices in one. You have the aerial, which is detachable to put it in your carry bag, whatever. So that is quite a long aerial when it's extended. So it comes up to about waist height. So I will give you a really quick demonstration. So we're going to turn on everything, but you can use either one independently. But we'll turn them all on. I'm just going to go haywire in a second. Right, so that's turned on. So first we'll test static. So if I go near it, so we've got 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights and 4 lights. And then if I touch the aerial, that's maxed out. So then we have vibration. So you see I'm just tapping the floor. So that is incredibly sensitive as well. Just a light finger tap. So it says the temperature there, current 22.2. So obviously if that changes, you'll see the temperature change on the dial. And the 2 lights on the side for up or down. And also the EMF meter is there as well. Yeah, brilliant piece of kit, well worth the money. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.